I don't know who needs to hear this. I don't care if you're a professor, doctor, lawyer, athlete, what you do, go hard. Make sure at least once a week you work through failures. And by that I mean you put in so much work that you can't do nothing no more. That's what it means working through failure. Because through that is when you're gonna find out your whole strength. You're gonna find out what you're capable of. You're gonna find out what's your limit. You're gonna find out how much more you can go, how much more room for improvement you got. You know what I'm saying? You don't ever push yourself to failure. You'll never, ever know your true potential. It's through the pain that we call as a human being. Through pain that we realize whether we're fighters or pussies. It's through pain that you find your true identity. When everything is all cool, you can pretend. You can put on the fake persona. But when you're going through it, when you put it in that storm, that's when your true character get tested. Now, question for you: when was the last time your character got tested? When was the last time you put yourself to the fucking ground? When was the last time you went all in? Like there was nothing else left in the fucking world for you. When was the last time you almost died? So.